TradeView TraderPro. How to undock Windows. Software tutorial.
Windows can be undocked by right-clicking on the title bar and selecting Undock. If the option is grayed out, go to the Tools menu and select Locked Layout so that the option is disabled. Then, right-click on the title bar again and go to Undock. The window is now an independent window which can be moved to a different screen or can be minimized or maximized separately from the main platform window. If a window contains several tabs and you wish to only undock one item, right-click on the tab and select Undock. The other windows will remain docked. Dock independent window. Left-click on the title bar of the independent window and keep the left mouse button held down. Move the cursor to an existing window. For example, if you want to dock the window to the very bottom, hover over the chart at the bottom and place the cursor over the box with the down arrow. Notice the graying effect previewing where the window will be docked. If this is the desired location, release the mouse button. If docking arrows do not appear, right-click on the title bar and enable the dockable option. Then, try again. Move window to different location. Left-click on the title bar of the window you wish to move. Then, hover over another window and use the docking arrows, keeping the left mouse button held down. To move above a window, move the mouse cursor to the up arrow and release. If you use the double up arrow, this will dock the window and span from complete left to right, whereas the single up arrow will only move the window above the window and keep the same width. To move left of a window, move the mouse cursor to the left arrow and release. If you use the double left arrow, this will dock the window and span from complete top to bottom, whereas the single left arrow will only move the window left of the window and keeping the same height. The same logic applies for right and down arrows. Creating a new tab. Left-click on the title bar of a window and hold down the mouse button. Drag the cursor over another window. When the docking tool appears, move the cursor to the center of the docking tool and release the left mouse button. A tab will appear at the bottom. Use multiple monitors. Independent windows on other screens can also contain docked windows. On the right-hand side in the second screen with one chart, I can dock additional charts or other windows to the second screen.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.